Hello everyone, my name is Jan, I'm from Prague in the Czech Republic, and I would like to introduce you to CS50 Connect, the new social media platform that allows CS50 students and graduates to network and share their experience. As soon as you register and then log in, you will get to see a wall with posts by other members of the network. You can also write your own message and share this with the rest of the network. You can comment on other people's posts. You can also like them and unlike them, as well as with comments. On the right hand side of the homepage, you can see the basic information from your own profile. You can see a list of members who joined recently, and you can see the latest events added to the website. On the top, you can see the full repository of all members of the network under the Members tab, where you can see the basic information of each member, their location, interests, and social media links. You can see the full profile of any user by clicking on their username. You can see your own profile under the My Profile tab. You are also able to edit your own profile to share more information about yourself with the network. Don't forget to save your changes. Finally, you can see the full list of events and their details. Join CS50 Connect today.